We know from quantum physics and the ancient wisdoms of scripture and philosophy alike that where we direct our focus is going to determine what we get. So, why are we so busy talking about the things that we don't want? Connection within our one self, that gut lining, connection to the earth, our connection with each other, and our connection to faith. All of these restore and bring health. So, let's talk about connection. Let's talk about how to move forward. Let's connect through storytelling and anecdotes, through conversation, even if we don't agree, even if we seem very different or are on opposite ends of the political aisle. Let's connect and unite. We have more in common than we have that separates us, and more than ever, people need to hear it. I don't know about you, but I'm done with all the division. You don't know me. That's right. You don't know me. I'm new. My name's Anne, but I am born to be here. I am not new to conversation. I was raised in a very political household and was a youth ambassador to Communist Eastern Europe. Debate is a love language, and people don't know how to have good, honest debate and still respect each other on the other side. I grew up in LA around a lot of the industry. Actors, producers, writers, artists were all part of our social scene. Ray Bradbury was a family friend. My dad was this close to being a part of the Watergate scandal. In fact, John Ehrlichman was my dad's college roommate. So bring it. Bring your stories of success, bring your stories of connection and where it is you want to see us go. I know my place, and it's right here in this conversation with you. In connection, we thrive.